बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। The second derivative of parametric equations is always implicit is the topic of this lecture, and this is one of the most important concept of differentiation. An important advice: be polite. Well, implicit means differentiation of a different variable with respect to x. If these two variables are different, then this function is known as implicit. So this is implicit because differentiation of theta with respect to x. Let's understand this concept with the help of this example. Dx upon d theta is 2 cos 2 theta and dy upon d theta is minus 2 sin 2 theta. This is the differentiation of parametric equation. So this first part is very simple. Here we have minus 2 sin 2 theta and in denominator 2 cos 2 theta. So dy upon dx is minus tan 2 theta. Now till here this is very simple. This is the gradient of parametric equations. We all know how to find this. Now if the examiner asks you find the second derivative, find d2y over dx2, then this is implicit. See, if you are going to find the second derivative of parametric, then this is always implicit. Why? Because it is differentiation of theta with respect to x. Because differentiation, it is differentiation of theta with respect to x. Whenever these two variables are different, then the function is always implicit. Now this is very important. I'm going to solve this on a new page. Dy upon dx was minus tan 2 theta. Remember, whenever we differentiate implicit, see, differential of tan 2 theta is sec squared 2 theta times 2. But since this is implicit, then we need to multiply our answer with the gradient of this variable. Must watch my lecture on implicit functions to understand this concept in detail. This is very important. In implicit, we always multiply our answer with the gradient of the given function, and the given function is theta. And the gradient of theta with respect to x is d theta upon dx. This is the way to differentiate the first gradient of parametric to get the second gradient. And how will you replace the value of d theta upon dx? This is very simple. So we have minus 2 sec square 2 theta and we have dx upon d theta. See, this is dx upon d theta, but we need its reciprocal. So the answer is 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta. And you know the reciprocal of cos is sec. So we'll get minus sec cube 2 theta. That's the answer. And that's the second derivative of parametric. Hope this lecture will help you to understand the concept how to differentiate the gradient of parametric. The first gradient of parametric. or you can say second derivative of parametric. I will discuss this example question in my next lecture. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.